Okay, the basketball court drawn. Let's go to level 1 composite. We need several other lines, so we need to extract our green lines. See how I cannot select the grid? It's ridiculous. There you go, right click, unhide element, and now I need the green lines, unhide element. VII lines. There they are. So here in the center is where I should place my basketball court. Now, so we're going to do insert, import cat, select basketball court, and you have several options, very important to know. I'm going to do manual origin, and I'm going to place it here in the side for now. And by the way, it respects your crop line, so you see how it disappears? It's because my crop view is there, so I'm just going to place it here. Turn on the crop view, extend it, select my lines. Now, first thing you should do always is parse explode of your lines, okay? You don't want to work with AutoCAD lines ever. So I recommend that after you explode, you always select all the lines and make them one of the Revit standard lines. Now you can use lines. Lines is the green one. You probably don't want that. So you can place thin lines or medium lines. I think thin lines is good because we don't want those lines to be very prominent. Okay. So now we move and we go to the center. And we place it in those meeting points of the lines I created before. Now there's a constraint sometimes for some movements that you have to uncheck so you can move freely. By the way, Revit decides, when is good to constrain or not, which is difficult. So obviously this is touching there, so we want to move it down quite a good number to this point. So let me actually. I obviously did not measure this correctly. It's from that point to this point, and now we move the lines MV, center, center. So that was the line of that green. So you have the same space here than you have here, pretty much. Okay. Now you can delete the green lines, and there you go. You have it there. It's a good reference and gives like a live amount of information. Again, remember that probably in the first floor you should change a little bit how the partitions are located in the lab, and you don't have to care much about the atrium at all. Okay.